Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is our Redmi 5A. Here you can see about phone. Let's say the specification of this ROM. You will get the Android version 11. This is the latest version available right now for CR Droid. Here you can see this is our CR Droid 7.1 Android version 11R. 5 December security patch and 5 May vendor security patch. Here you can see build December. Here you can see 18 December build is available. This is the latest build available for CR Droid, and you can check the build number also available. I build number, serial number, everything is working fine in this ROM. There is no problem. Let's check the features of this ROM and the bugs of this ROM. First, let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working. As you can see, I have already connected, and the SMS is also working. Dual SIM is working. Here you can see Jua and BSNL. Volt is also working. No problem in the Volt icon is also working. I will show you later in the video. Here you can see Wi-Fi is working. I have already connected the Wi-Fi, and the hotspot is also working. No problem in the hotspot. Let's check the Bluetooth. Here you can see there is a problem connected. Turn off your device and back on. It is working perfectly right now. Here you can see only sometimes it gives you the problem, but it works perfectly. There is no restart of the Bluetooth as I tested it for an hour. Let's check the battery performance. Battery performance of this ROM is good. In this ROM is good, very good, and you can install this ROM for daily use also. If you want to install, here you can see this is the 8 days left. It is saying, but it will not. Let's check the display. The brightness level is working perfectly. No problem in the brightness level. Dark theme is also working perfectly. Let's check the dark theme. Deep gray, charcoal, emerald black is also available. All three themes are available in this ROM. Dark mode. You can check according to your use. Here is the night light. Night light is also working perfectly. As you can see, night light you can easily adjust the night light intensity. Also adaptive brightness is also working perfectly. I have tested, don't worry. Live display. Here is the calibration. You can adjust according to your use. Font size, you can increase or decrease the display font size. Let's have the always on display. Here the always on display. Let's check it. Here you can see always on display is not working. As you can see, if I click on it, does not open or closes application, so it is not working. Always on display, ambient display. Double tap to sleep is working perfectly. No problem in the double tap to sleep. Here you can see double tap to wake. Here you can see double tap to wake is working. Double tap to sleep is also working on the lock screen, as you can see. Let's have the sound also. Here the sound is working perfectly. No problem in the sound. Vibration is also working. All vibration and hardware buttons vibration is also working perfectly. No problem. Touch sound is also working. No problem in the touch sound, as you will not be able to hear because Bluetooth is on. So I will turn off the Bluetooth. It works perfectly without any reboot. Here you can see, you can easily hear the touch sound also. 8.78 GB free, but there are few applications in my device installed right now. Location is working perfectly. Privacy, there is full security. Let's check the face unlock also. How fast is the face unlock? Let me apply the password first, then we will check the face unlock, how fast it works. Only this time. Next, let me apply the face unlock, then we will check how fast is the face unlock. Now here you can see I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let me check the face unlock speed also. Here you can see face unlock speed is just amazing. There is no any delay. Right now there is delay because of the wire between. Here you can see it works perfectly. No problem in the there is no problem in the face unlock. It works perfectly, but sometimes it lags or sometimes it delays in opening the lock screen. Here you can see Google account. I have easily log in the Google account. You have to flash the flame gaps. It is not included in this ROM. Here the CR Droid setting. You can customize your phone according to your use. If you want to check all the features, you can check the previous video of the Redmi 4X ROM. All the features are same, at least all the features are the same, and the navigation bar is also working. Here you can see you can enable the navigation bar according to your use. I will check you about the Volt, only the main features. 4G icon is also available instead of LTE. Here is the Volt working. Here you can see, as you can see, Volt is working perfectly. No problem in the Volt Wi-Fi. Volt Wi-Fi is not available in this ROM. Battery is also available. Circle inside the percentage is also available. Control center left hidden. You can hide according to your use. Here is the quick setting. These are the quick settings. You can adjust according to your use. These all are the features of this ROM. You can check according to your use. I have already made the video, so you can check the video Redmi 4X or Redmi 5, all the features are same, so don't worry, you can check. Only there will be 2-3 features that are different. You can check according to your view, but this ROM is good for daily use. You can install this ROM for daily use also. So this ROM is full of customization. You can use it for customization also. You can customize your phone. Here is the system profile also available. Gestures is also available in this ROM. Only 3 gestures available right now: prevent ringing, quick open camera. Camera is working perfectly. You can flash the Google camera also in this ROM. It works perfectly. Let's check the camera. Here is the camera. As you can see, camera is working perfectly, no problem in the camera. Next, here is the camera. You can see front camera, back camera, flash is working, video recording is working. Let's check the Geo application, whether it works or not, if your ROM says device is rooted or not. So here you can see rooted device detected in Geo, so you cannot use the Geo application, or there will be some error in using the banking or social applications or any other application that don't work with the root. Let's check the my device info also. Here you can see 25 sensors available. Let's check the system. Root SS available. Here you can see this ROM is pre-rooted. I have not rooted via matches. I have done nothing. It is pre-rooted. 12 September security patch. Bootloader unknown right now. Kernel Triton Rova. Here you can see Java. Language is English. Root SS available है. Seamless unable to determine, and this ROM is terrible supported. Seamless update is not supported in this ROM. Let's have the safety net also. Here is the safety net. As I have already tested, it is passed, so I will show you again. Run test. Safety net is passed successfully. So let's check the AnTuTu benchmark test also. Here is the AnTuTu benchmark test. Here is the score available. 64,333 score available right now. I will also do the Android 11 performance comparison test. Here you can see 26,000 CPU performance and GPU 1288. Here you can see memory performance, UX 2% battery drop, 0.8 degree increase in the temperature, 28.1 increase in the highest temperature. As you can see, these all are the features of this ROM or the specification of this ROM. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the description, but just you have to replace the files, or you have to flash the flame gaps or open gaps according to your use. I have flashed the bit gaps in this ROM. If all the download link will be in the description, you can check the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates. And the YouTube Vanced is also installed in this ROM. These are the applications of this ROM.